Hi, Mickey McGrath, Timepiece Manager here at Fox & Bailey. I want to go over three things that we do here at Fox & Bailey. Not only sell watches, but we also buy watches. As you can see, we have a great selection of pre-owned watches here in all makes and models. So if you've got a timepiece that you're not wearing anymore, that you had gifted, or it was a family heirloom or something that you want to update, you can bring it into us, make an appointment with Mickey McGrath. I'll be glad to look at it for you, and we can give you an estimate of what we'll pay you for it. We also have a CW21 Watchmaker here on site that if you do need a service as far as servicing your watch, he can either polish it, service it, and get it running again if it needs to do that. But we also have an actual appraisal guy here on site that will appraise your watch for you. So those three items are here. We can always do that for you. So I'd be glad to help you. Come see Mickey McGrath, Timepiece Manager here at Fox & Bailey.